Alright, everybody, we're playing another round here. For you, the people.
Wait a minute, for the people?
Yeah.
For the people? So what you're saying is...
I'm saying rise.
That is from Rise.
What? Okay, there was someone else around here. Ooh, I'm gonna drop my money on this gambling machine.
There's a lot of people, so I'm gonna try this wonderful little house up here.
I just gambled my life savings away. And it
I've
worked
done that
out.
a few times.
What?
What? I got a shotgun, so I'm happy. I got a grenade.
I got a hammer. I got a jar of dirt.
I got a bird.
I got a half pot. I got a great loadout. I got a blue AR, blue shotgun, Maven auto shotgun, and a gold DMR.
I don't have any grenades anymore.
So
Did you hear the boom?
I
boom,
just saw
boom?
them, yeah. And I have a hammer. And I heard someone near me.
I have grenades again.
There someone is. Gotcha.
Gotcha.
Hee hee. Buddy, come here. Come
Oh,
here.
there's somebody coming. Hang on.
Come here. It's over. Go back to the lobby. Meet your friend there later.
Doctor Strange! What the flip?
I'm coming.
I know, I got him, but it was like, I shot him and nothing happened for a few shots. I'm like, what?
You're star marked.
Load of barnacles. I'm marked?
I know, storm mark. That's what I got.
Oh. I thought you said, oh, what is Peely's Plunder?
Oh, that's cool. 55, 55, 110.
Hang on, I'm gonna explore this. I got a treasure map?
Oh yeah, they have treasure maps.
Oh my heavens.
Where'd this guy go? Oh. Gotcha.
What the heck is going on here? What?
Help me, help me, help me.
Get out of there, man. Oh my heavens. Bro, I just got the load out.
Never mind, I got him.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I couldn't help but holy crap. Gold sniper and that, all that. I just found flipping Peely's treasure.
Nice. I don't know how that perk works, because like you can't just like get more maps. It's just like a one-time thing.
Yeah, I mean, well, it's like tactical armory.
Well, you come. I guess if you die and come back, maybe it'll spawn again. Oh, you got a bird.
And I am so stupid that I, in fact, blocked the doorway.
I thought I saw a mark. What the heck? I see one on the side of my screen, but then it goes away as soon as I turn toward it. Weird. Might be a glitch. But I'm gonna go claim the point. Weather forecast.
I was not a fan of the end of that last season.
I am still watching it, so.
I am not a fan. Oh, I found one of those good chests.
Are you just not a fan, or was it just bad?
It was not good. I think it was not good. McKenna says, no, it's good, it's fine, there's sad moments and everything. It's like, no, it's not good.
Well, I have seen him.
It's literally saying, screw you, audience. We know these are the characters you like, but we don't care.
I know I've seen a thing where, well, Joseph Joestar is the only one to escape an early death. So, and I'm still waiting for Jotaro to die early. So maybe that's it. Hey, I found some fireflies.
I'm not gonna spoil nothing.
Okay.
But yeah.
I marked fireflies for you.
I saw. I got some splashers.
That's all.
I'm just wasting these. It feels like.
Right? Well, I'm out of here. Bye.
Bye. Have fun.
Actually, you know what?
Bye.
I'll
Have
hop
a
on
beautiful time.
I'll hop on the motorcycle.
Where's the fireflies at?
They're out here.
Oh, there they are. I had to go through a few things. Oh, I forgot that there's a thing going on.
Yeah, hop in.
I'm on. I can't launch the bird from here.
Damn. Oh, there's some shooting. Let's go.
You're on crack.
Yeah, let's go.
This is nuts.
Let's see. I landed
Blocked
that.
us. Yeah, on our heads.
Yeah, but it still counted the score.
Did it? It didn't in mine.
There's some shooting. Let's go.
Ah, behind us.
There's a guy over here.
Where?
Over there. I think he knows we're waiting for him. Oh frick, we're getting shot at.
There he is. Oh, no, me? I am! Ah!
Knocked him.
Oh, he's got a hammer.
Ouch. This guy.
Don't die. Hey, you know that thing where you're kind of dying? Don't.
Help. I'm down. Get him. He's one shot. Oh, yeah.
I got him. You were right. He was one shot. Stop moving. Stop moving. Please, come on.
You have a hammer?
There's a hammer behind me.
Oh, I have
the
a
other
hammer.
guy
What am I
had
doing?
one. Ah, sorry.
Oh, it was you. Frick.
I'm sorry. Okay, I've got a hammer.
Okay.
There's a couple med kits back there too.
Okay.
Ah, man, I wish that. Screw it.
Okay. Hey, we did good. That guy was a bit of a tool, but that's okay. Okay, let's go. We gotta move. You gotta move.
Moving. We have hammers.
Yeah, we do. I'm gonna save it for an escape. Feely's plunder.
Hey! Let's wait. You're not exactly in a great position at the moment.
Yeah, I want to wait till Circle to even open it.
Whee!
Yee-hoo.
That's some good sliding. Ah!
Oh, llama.
Does the chug splash count for the?
No, it does not. Going toward this building here.
I know. I'm trying to reload from the llama. So. I got someone else's tactical armory. I love it.
Nice. Some splashes here.
On my way. On my way to waste some splashes.
There's also a bush bomb. Someone's here.
Oh! Ow!
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Ah! I hit them both. One of them's hurting.
You have to kill him. Nice. Oh, he had the gold hammer.
Did he?
Yep.
That's not gold.
No, over there. I kind of want it though, but I mean, you know, you do you, I guess.
Where are you?
I'm behind you.
Where are?
Look at the map. You don't have to ask every
gosh.
time, man.
Listen here. Why is it not working? There it is.
It sounded like it was working.
Yeah, I heard the sound, but it wasn't doing it. Of course, and we wasted those splashes too. There's a crow. There's a crow. Ah, I got it. I killed a crow with a hammer. There's
shots.
Slap juice.
Yeah, I guess I could use slap juice. Oh, hey, meat.
Where'd you go?
Dang it, the map takes me out of storm.
There's some slap juice.
So I'm gonna just drop the.
Yeah, that slap juice is a little bit at least.
Follow me.
There's a buried treasure. You want your?
I think it's out
map?
of circle.
Ah, poop. That sucks. I've got the splash juice. So I'm really hauling. Woo! I've also got the hat. Super. Oh, hey, there's a truck. Oh yes, hit those. Good job. I don't have any other shields, otherwise that'd help.
Okay.
What was that? Oh, what notification did I just miss? Oh, it's just Twitter.
Hello. No, that's not what I wanted, but it's a shield. I could have my trifecta again. But I don't want to drop anything.
Oh, there's a shield keg right here.
Yes. Drop it. Wait, hold up. Don't go too far.
I'm waiting. I'm in the circle, so I'm not really anxious to go too far.
Where are they hammering? He's just going back and forth, man. He is just going back and forth. I think he has a bunch of hammers. Over there.
I don't see him.
There he is.
I've taken my bird all the way to the top of this mountain. There's nobody up here.
There's fighting going on over here.
I see somebody here. Yeah, that's the...
He's... Wait, try to pick him up. If you can reach him.
I don't think I can. I'm about to lose signal. Oh, I lost it.
Dang. Let's go.
That was close though. Dude, we've got like everybody marked on this.
Where's the guy that was
are you
down?
waiting?
No, I'm going to him.
Oh, but you're going with the bird.
I'm going to try to pick him up. Please. No, he got killed. Bye. Okay, I tried to mislead them where we were. Oh,
Got
right
him
there.
marked. I'm just gonna bother him.
I tagged him for 55.
Oh no, why am I?
55. Knocked one.
Nice.
Killed
55.
him. Killed him.
Dead.
Nice. There's one person left. One person. Wait, a hammer?
I hammered.
Thought I heard another one. Oh, crown.
I got
Did
it.
the guy have one?
I don't know.
No, he did not. That sucks.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Not sorry though.
Right. Okay.
It is the law of the jungle.
I think I'm safe here, so I'm gonna scout. He might be up there. It makes
Yeah,
total
keep an
sense.
eye out. I'll keep you protected if I can. Is he up there?
He is. He's up there. He's all at the top. Hi, bud. We know where you are. Hey, man. Hey, how's it going?
Draw him to the balcony. Draw him to the balcony.
I already
Wait.
died.
Got him! I got him! I hit him! I hit him! I broke his shield, he's down! Yeah!
Good win. Can't do anything though.
I want to emote! I want to emote on the guy! Ah, that was good though.
Yep. GG.
That one's a good one. I'm gonna save that one. Just give me a second here. Saving video clip. Because I am not on a pewter. And all I gotta say is...
Batman.
That's all I got.
Alright, thank you guys for watching the episode. See you guys next time.